In this video, we will discuss about difference between SRAM and DRAM. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. DRAM stands for Dynamic Random Access Memory. SRAM is called static as no refreshing is needed to keep the data intact. DRAM is called dynamic so refreshing is needed to keep the data intact. SRAM structure is complex. DRAM structure is simple. SRAM has higher data transfer rate. DRAM has lower data transfer rate. SRAM uses transistors to store a single bit of data. DRAM uses a separate transistors to store each bit of data. SRAMs are used in high-speed cache memories. DRAMs are used in lower-speed main memory. SRAM is faster. DRAM is slower. SRAM provide faster speed of data read or write. DRAM provides slower speed of data read or write. SRAM is expensive than DRAM. DRAM is cheaper than SRAM. SRAM is used in high-performance applications. DRAM is used in general-purpose applications. The power consumption of SRAM is more. The power consumption of DRAM is less. SRAM require minimum time to access data. DRAM require more time to access data. SRAMs are low-density device. DRAMs are high-density device. SRAM has less storage capacity. DRAM has large storage capacity. SRAM has long data life. DRAM has short data life. SRAM does not have refreshing unit. DRAM has refreshing unit.